What you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and power it on, and as you power it on, you're going to hit the reset button. You're going to hold it down. So like on the Xbox One and S, you see here, it's right below the console button, and it's right there. It'll have like little arrows there, and you're going to hold that down. So let's go ahead and do that now. So let's power it on and hold down the reset button right here. You want to hold it down for at least 3 seconds. And then when you do that, you want to turn on the controller, and that should connect. So it did. You may want to hold both of them down at the same time, the reset and this button at the same time. So let's go ahead and do that. So you see there, it turned on. So most consoles, it's that little, it's a black button. So on the S and X, it should be under here. And some of the older models, it'll be like on the left side. You just have to look for it because it's kind of hidden. Alright, I think that solved our problem. And I hope you enjoyed the video, and please subscribe. Have a good one.
You, come here. Yes, you. I need your help. Come here. You see this right here? This wall's empty. I need a YouTube play button. In order for me to get a YouTube play button, I need 100,000 subscribers. I got what, 20, 30,000 right now? I need 100. I need you, please, you to subscribe. You think my subscription doesn't help? Yes, it does. I need 100,000. I visualize what I want in this world. And what I want is a YouTube play button. I want a YouTube play button, and I need you to subscribe. You can help me. You can make your dreams come true. Just visualize it. Whatever you want in this world, you can have. You can have all your dreams come true. I want you to help me make my dreams come true. All right? So please, please subscribe.